Hey guys, this is Ryan Blair here at Kaizink, and today I am showing you how to add a custom message on the homepage of a Fulfill Engine web store. So from the web store dashboard, go ahead and scroll down to get to branding. Once we're in here, we're going to go to storefront messages, and now you see that there's a couple of options on where you could set these messages. So for this instance, we're going to do the homepage message, and the message is going to be free shipping on orders over $200. Okay, and so if we were to save this, preview the store, you can see that it drops it in right here. There are some controls that you can have over this using some basic HTML, and how to access that is if we go ahead and hit the pencil to edit, and we come over to preview here, hit this little information button, and you can get the markdown documentation. This is going to be some of the basic syntax that you can add. So we're just going to do a Control F to find, and we're going to look for italics. And so here we go. And so if we wanted to make this italic, we could just go ahead and copy how they have it set up here. And so we're just going to put that at the beginning, and we're going to grab this for the end. Go ahead and save that. And so you can see that now it's italic right there. And so if we go back to preview the store, it should be italic there as well. Still learning about basic HTML stuff, so if anybody watching knows how to center this on the page, that'd be awesome. Please let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.